Alright, this is one of my favorite videos about getting your videos to rank because I have so much stories to share with you, good and bad. So you are ready to get some backlinks created for your videos. Awesome! Let me walk you through this process and make sure you understand what it is, when you should do it, and how do you do it correctly. Because believe me, there are a lot of scams out there. I hope I didn't scare you when I said that. But unfortunately, there are a lot of dishonest people in this world, so I want to make sure I protect you from them. First of all, what exactly is a backlink, and when should you get one? A backlink is a link from someone else's website pointing to yours. This was the foundation of how Google became famous and defeated the other search engines to emerge as the #1 in the world. Their original concept was, a website that has a lot of links pointing to it must be a good website. It must have relevant information and give people who search for the content a good user experience. If it was a useless website, no one will link to it. That's why Google used to rank websites that have a lot of backlinks high in their search results. This concept is similar for a good video. If lots of people are embedding your video and linking to your video on their website, Google and YouTube can detect it and in the long run will assume your video is valuable and rank it higher. However, the drawback is that this process is slow. It may take days for you or someone you pay to create these links for you and then to have YouTube detect them to make a difference in ranking. That's why in the beginning, as soon as your video is published, we immediately boost it on your Facebook page to get immediate traffic. So then the question comes down to, when are backlinks appropriate for your videos? And should you pay for backlinks to be made for all of your videos? If you have a large budget and are confident in the value you are giving in your videos, then my answer is sure, it doesn't hurt. It may help your videos get noticed and ranked eventually. However, if you are on a budget where every dollar counts, here's my recommendation. Only have backlinks made for videos that are performing well on your channel. Truth is, not all your videos are created equal, even if you put your blood, sweat, and tears into making the best videos ever. Not everyone will appreciate and engage with each of your videos the same way. Some are just more relevant than others and get more views and likes and comments than others. If you are on a budget, those are the videos that are worth doubling down on. If you give these videos more backlinks and authority, it will in time increase their performance even more, getting them ranked higher and higher. Now that you know which videos you want to have backlinks created for, the final questions comes down to where do you go to have it done and how do you do it? The where is easy. We talked about it in previous episodes. One of the best places to have backlinks created for you is on Fiverr.com. So go on to Fiverr.com and type in YouTube backlinks. You'll see there are so many to choose from. But guess what? Even though Fiverr is a legitimate website, some of their sellers are scammers. And what do I mean by that? Some of them are claiming to give you backlinks, but what they are actually doing is buying likes and views for your video. This is so bad for your channel that it should be considered a crime. Remember, YouTube is not an idiot. It knows the likes and views that you bought are fake and will eventually move them from your channel and penalize the reach of your video. Furthermore, since these bots or people are only paid to give you a view, they will skip out of your video as soon as they land on it, and no one will watch your entire video, thus dragging your entire audience retention score way down. How do I know about all this? I fell victim to one of their scams before. Long time ago, after 24 hours of buying a backlink service from a seller, when I looked at my video, it suddenly got 200 views and 100 likes. Instead of being happy, I was upset because I knew that was not how backlink works. Backlink themselves don't get you traffic, they get your videos ranked. Once your videos get ranked, then you get traffic. Right there and then, I knew I was scammed. I knew the seller had bought likes and views for me. After 48 hours, YouTube caught on what was happening to my video and started to remove the views and likes. Guess what happened next? I received a message on one of my Facebook ads promoting the video. Someone took a screenshot of my video showing that I had 53 views but 87 likes and commented sarcastically, "Love that you're clearly buying likes. At least try to hide what you're doing." I was so embarrassed. How could this person know that I wasn't buying likes, but was scammed? So how are all these sellers able to get away with this scam? How are they even able to get a lot of 5-star reviews on their work? Because the people who bought their service and got lots of views and likes on their videos were happy. They loved the attention that they got and was satisfied, not knowing that it actually hurts their channel more than they could imagine. But they are not taking this course, are they? You are, and you know better. So how can we find the legitimate sellers selling real backlinks? This is one of the things I do. Instead of typing in YouTube backlinks, I type in the keyword social bookmarks, which is another word for backlinks. This will filter out the majority of people who directly offer services related to YouTube, selling likes, views, and even subscribers disguised as YouTube promotion services. Once you type in social bookmarks, sort the list by best selling, and look for services that not only have a high rating, but also ones that have done a lot of projects, preferably 100 or more. Once you find one that you like, contact the seller directly by sending them a message with 2 questions. The first question to ask them is, can you create backlinks for my YouTube video? The second question is, can you provide proof of work once completed? A proof of backlink work looks like this. It's a spreadsheet of the types of links that was created for you and the links themselves. Each of them, once you click on, will take you directly to the website where your video is embedded. Here, let me show you an example. I will click on a random link in the list, copy it, and paste it in the address bar, and then press enter. It should take me to the website with my video. And you can see my video is here, including a made-up article written to make it seem like an organic blog. We can do another link test. Grab another link and see where it takes us. You can see it takes us to another site where my video is embedded. You can even take a screenshot of my screen right now and send it to the seller and ask them if they can give you a spreadsheet like this once they complete the work. Finally, it never hurts to tell them directly, word for word, that I am not interested in buying likes, views, or subscribers for my video. I am only interested in getting backlinks made. Can you help me with this? Okay, I hope I made the process of finding and having backlinks made for your videos clear and not too complicated. It's a very powerful way to double down on videos that are performing well to get them to rank even further. You just have to be careful and protect yourself. Many people call their service YouTube video or channel promotion, but instead of actually promoting anything, they buy likes and views and even subscribers to trick you into thinking their service works. But we know better than that. Backlinks don't get you traffic. They get your videos ranked so that you will eventually get traffic.